Hello, everyone. This is Linda Drummond with Network in Action. And today I have the privilege of speaking with Rhonda Manis. Hi, Rhonda.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How about yourself?
Doing well.
Awesome. Rhonda, let's tell everybody your company name and what it is that you do.
My company name bears my name, Rhonda A. Manis CPA PC. That's a professional corporation. And I am an
Awesome.
accountant. I help people process their taxes and plan for future taxes.
And everybody needs somebody to help them do that. So, Rhonda, how did you get into this business?
Well, I had watched my mother for years struggling with my father's books in his business. And the accountant would come in and he looked very perplexed all the time. And there didn't seem to be too much communication. And I decided that I wanted to help people. And I also needed to finish school and I wanted something that would be a viable career. And accounting just seemed like the natural thing to do. I'd been around it all my life.
Awesome. Well, since, as you said, you've been around it all your life, I suspect you have a success story or two you could share with us.
Absolutely, more than one. Probably one of my big points is I've taken companies which are losing money and I've taken professionals. I mean, these are educated people. And I said, has your accountant helped you read your financial statements? Do you understand where the money's going? And they really didn't understand that. And I would show them, how much they would spend on something. And I said, are you getting a return on this? Is this producing any income for you? And they would say, well, no. Or I'd say, did you, you spent this much on supplies this year? Why is your cost of goods sold so high? What's going on over there? And so I've learned through reviewing with clients and making them understand, then they can make the adjustments in their business to save money.
Fantastic. So, Rhonda, in your business, what would you consider a really good referral for you?
Well, my business is cut into three sections. It's business owners, obviously, because then they've got a business and usually they have their personal taxes as well. But I also deal with highly compensated executives. These could be people that work for a very large company and they have a large W-2 and maybe they own other things like rental properties and they need help with that, or it's someone who's retiring but keeping various investments and needs help, you know, gathering everything at tax time. It's become a little too cumbersome for them, but they don't want to miss declaring all the income and they also want to make sure they're not paying more taxes than they should be.
Great, great. So, Rhonda, when you are not helping everyone with their taxes, what do you like to do for fun?
What do I like to do? Well, I have been traveling. I have discovered that a little time away from home would be awesome. What you can't see is behind me is there's a cat sitting on this window. I love my pets, but they do just fine with mom going away. And I like to travel, and I am about to take a trip to Egypt and Greece, and then I'll be back in time for tax season.
Oh, I am so jealous. Greece is on my list. I definitely want to go see it.
I heard it's beautiful, and there are a couple of cat islands too, so I'll check those out.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And finally, Rhonda, if someone knows that they need your services or they know of someone that needs your services, how can they reach out to you?
Well, the best way, obviously, would be a phone call. If you can't reach me on the phone, and sometimes it's not convenient, it's nighttime, or I'm not answering the phone, an email would be terrific. And if you're an NIA member, obviously you can send the referral right through the NIA network.
Wonderful. Well, it has been such a pleasure speaking with you. And I wish you the best of luck and welcome to Network in Action.
Thank you.
And you have a fantastic day.
All right. Well, thank you. It was lovely meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. Bye-bye.